Okay, everything's all cleaned up now. So, no residue anymore of anything. Shut up. You can see where the tooth wear is. Light went off, figures. See all the lappings on this side where it's dull. You can look through the teeth and see if there's any high spots that you can notice that where it'd be low spots. You'd see low spots won't be gray. You can see it's a little bit low spots on the coast side a little bit. And you got the camshaft over here, it's pretty much all gray. So little teeth going all the way around goes that way, and then this way it's gray. It's gray on both sides. So, typical. Alright, so this all looks pretty good. I got to heat this up again to put it back on. And all of this stuff is nice and clean also. What I didn't like to do is I had lapping compound inside my bushing there, but you can see I kind of polished it, but it didn't really look like it cut very much of anything out of it. Hopefully not. It's already loose enough already. So that'll be the pinning bush over here. Here's what we were doing. Clunk, clunk. Definitely not tight. You have that much clearance in it there, which is a good racing fit, but when you're brand new it's usually like a little tighter now when you initially start. But this motor here, we weren't making everything 100% zero. Okay, so we're going to heat this one up like we did before, slip it back down and tap it the rest of the way, and hopefully we'll get it all back where it belongs. Then we'll check and see where we're at. And if it's not adequate, we'll have to come back and do everything again. And I went through a lot of trash down there in a bucket down there. You can see in here we got some trash in there now. So you can see it. So, went through a little bit. And most of it can of brake clean. Oh well, but it's clean. No dirty where it don't belong. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and heat that up. Use these before the holding wheel, like that. Plus I put my gloves on so I don't get too hot. At least put one glove on. That's all you really need is one glove, right? So heat this back up to about 400 or 500 degrees. Not 4,500, between 400 and 500. A little different. We're just going to heat this up again. Don't stay in one place too long. The hot plate works really good. It heats up nice and even. A couple hundred degrees now. Maybe. Spit test. About 200 anyway. Gas off. Now we're out of gas. Good. Put this on our motor where it belongs. High spots on the bottom. Yeah, about that far is good. This dirty glove off. Get a little deeper than that. Nice, all my tools weren't buried. Flush. Okay. Easy enough. About how I went on before. Set some of the fumes out of the building now. It's cooling off. It's hot on your thumb. Don't hold your thumb in one spot too long. About 5 thou above the other one. Alright, suck those fumes out. Okay, let's see here. We're going to do a different shim on that. Okay, we'll let that cool off. We'll be back.